Angry bird. Cow. Duck. Egg. 4. Grass. Hippo. Ice. Juice. Key. Lock. Money. Nothing. Owl. Pig. Quick. Rabbit. Slow. Turtle. T-Rex. Unicycle. Victory. Watermelon. X. Yummy. 0. Hey, this old building might be collapsed anytime. We should call the construction team to knock it down. Okay. Okay, let's focus and get the job done. Okay. Excavator. Dump truck. Demolition crane. Yeah, halfway to go. Oh no, you destroyed my house. Turn around. Look at what you have done. Oh no. Okay, fix it before Christmas. Okay, I've got an idea. Done. Hooray! It's a yellow Christmas tree. I like it. Yay! Dad, faster! 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 Okay, I am trying. Faster! Okay, it's time for bed. No, no! Okay, one more time. Yay! Hey, it's late. You better go to bed now. Okay. Hi, I'm going for an eye exam today. Follow me. Optometrist. Hello, how old are you? I'm almost 4 years old. Good. Are you ready for your eye exam? Yes. Okay, let me check your visual acuity. I've invented an eye track for you. It's fun. Let's start from the top. What can you see? Oh, I see apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. That's right. You are smart. Let's move to the bottom. What can you read? Cherry, banana, pear, orange, apple, tomato, grape, carrot, broccoli, avocado, lemon, kiwi, watermelon, strawberry. Perfect! Can you read just above the line? Yes, it's Happy New Year! Cheers! Wow! You have got a perfect eyesight. Smart kid! Yay! Vet. Hey doggy, don't be scared. I'm here to help you. Woof woof. I probably ate too much candy. I need to visit my dentist. Dentist. Hey Kelby, Are you ready for the dental checkup? Yes. Whoa, is that an astronaut? Yes, I love planet. I want to be an astronaut one day. Cool. Okay, I'm going to check your teeth. Open your mouth, please. Okay, I have to go now. Remember to brush and floss your teeth every day. Bye-bye. Pilot. Lifeguard. Sailor. Look, it's a whale. Lucky. Rock star. I like red. Look at my electric guitar. My sport car. They are all in red color. Nice. Hello. Can you guess what do I do for a living? Ballet dancer. Singer. I'm so excited for our performance tonight. Yes, I can't wait. Wow, just make it on time. Pianist. Yes, you got it right. I'm a pianist. Mom, when will the bus come? Look, it's coming. Yay! Mom, can I buy something to drink? Sure. Hello, what would you like to drink? One lemonade and one kiwi juice, please. Okay. Here you go. $10, please. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Let's catch the flight. Okay, wait for me, Mom. Okay, let's go. Hurry up, Mom. Good morning. Where are you flying today? I'm flying to Japan with my son today. Can I see 2 of your tickets and passport, please? Sure. Are you checking any luggages? Just one. Can you place it on the scale? What's inside your bag? Can you open it? Sure. 1 teddy bear. 1 empty teddy bear bottle. And the lemonade we just bought. Oh, let me finish it. Okay. Would you prefer a window seat or aisle seat? A window seat, please. This is the first flying experience for Calby. He wants to see the sky. Okay. Here is your boarding pass. Gate number 1. Have a good flight. Thank you. Thank you. Hey Calby, hope you enjoy your journey. Bye-bye. This is our first Halloween video. We should host a big spooky party. What do you think? Yes, it's a great idea. Let's invite everyone to join us. Yay, I'm in. Let's get started. Frankenstein. Yes, I'm in. Skeleton. Vampire. Let's do it again. Ghost. Whoa, you scare me. Wow, you scare me too. Sorry. Mummy. Hello. Chaplain. Hello. Zombie. Hello. I am in. Wish. Black cat. We are invited to a party. Go find my sister. Meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Good job. I knew you were here, sister. Werewolf. I'm in. Hello. You also have the vampire fan sticking out. Nice. Yeah, I am invited. I'm in. Let's go trick or treat. Trick or treat. Whoa, sorry. I got something to do. I must go now. Wait, hey, come back. It's just a Lego toy. Look. Hello. Oh, it's a scary eyeball talking to me. Hey, it's me, Mr. Tickle. Oh. Hey, would you like a group picture? Sure. Come with me. Okay. Airline pilot. Astronaut. Hello. Are you flying today? Yes, I'm flying to Japan. Oh, I see. I'm heading to Mars today. Awesome. Have a safe journey. Thank you. You too. Flight attendant. Let me get on the airplane to start my job. Coffee or tea? Okay, I'm ready to take off. See you soon. Bellhop. Housekeeper. The bed, toilet, vacuum, all clean. Now it's the laundry. Okay, all clean and safe. Let me go check another room. Bye-bye. I need to start work at 5 a.m. tomorrow. I should find a place to sleep first. Hello. I have a reservation on the second floor. Could you take this to my room? Sure. Thank you. Be careful, it's quite heavy. Oh, my pleasure. Hope you enjoy your stay. Airplane. Pushback tractor. Baggage truck. Cargo loader. Fruit loader truck. Airport shuttle bus. The airport shuttle should be arriving in few minutes. Are you ready to fly? Yes, let's go for a vacation. What are you looking for? Oh, you forgot to bring your teddy. I have an idea. Bring my teddy with you. He is nice and quiet. Boarding stair truck. Snorkeling. I want to find a Nemo. Beach volleyball. Oh no, why there is a volleyball here? I don't want a volleyball. I want to see Nemo. Oh no, why there is a car here? Amphibious car. Swimming. enjoy swimming and dancing, then you should try synchronized swimming. It's fun! Synchronized swimming. Scuba diving. Hey, check out my gears. I have a mask, scuba regulator, wetsuit, diving watch, flashlight, a pair of fins, air tank. Okay, I want to go find whale shark now. See you! Whoa! Submarine. Look! Submarine can go much deeper. Rafting. Skateboarding. Snowboarding. Why do you like snowboarding? Oh, fresh air in the mountain, white snow. I love it. Skiing. Oh yes, it's a great outdoor activities to do in winter. Surfing. Hey, come join me the sunshine and waves in summer. It's really fun. Nice. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe, please click on this button. To view more, please click here. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.